I'm Marie Hoffman here with Hoffman Murphy Real Estate Team right here in the South Bay, and I'm with Mike Garcia and his crew from Enviroscape. You know, I'm working on my California native and California friendly plant garden, and I thought you might want to take a look at this really cool thing. So we had all of these stones in the back, and they came off a fireplace that was put in my house probably in the 70s. Palos Verdes stone was a big thing, but you know what? I didn't throw any of that away because this is local stone, it's native stone. So Mike's folks just built me a little wall, and the reason I have that wall is I need to get back there and be able to work with my garden. So just remember, when you're looking at what you have in your garden, make sure that you utilize anything that you've got. And this is just stacked. There's no cement to it, and it's gonna hold that upper area. So just one more tip from Marie Hoffman, a Hoffman Murphy Real Estate and an Enviroscape in the Southern California area.